Hi, so this is a tutorial on how to use your baby powder to set and bake your face. So I already did the setting part. It's in one of my YouTube shorts. You can go watch it if you want to see. And right here, I'm just trying to make the other side blend out with the other side, because one side was actually looking a lot more matte than the other, so I was just trying to make the other side make sense too. Your baby powder is the cheapest option you can find for setting powder, because it's basically a translucent powder also. And when you find yourself in a makeup emergency where you don't have your setting powder in sight, or your baking powder in sight, maybe it's finished or something, you can go to the drugstore and get a good baby powder, not the mint one, just the normal beauty baby powder that has that like nice floral scent. These can work as a perfect setting powder, baking powder substitute. It is perfect for the work. You can see how blended my makeup is looking. This is just setting. I only set my face here, and you can see how clean and blended it's looking. Basically matches with my skin like no one would know. So yeah, let me show you how to bake with your baby powder to get a flawless makeup look. But after you are done with your overall makeup, your face is properly dried. If you want to bake, if at all you want to bake, you can go in again with your powder, but this time you are not setting, you are baking. Go into your powder like this, take some of that and apply to the sides you want to bake. So I'm just going to tap it lightly into this area. Tap it lightly like this into this area. You're just going to leave it on there, no force, just let it sit on your face. Remove some excess, go in and put that there, no force, literally, because we're baking. Just put that there. I'm going to add from here a little bit. I sweat a lot on this area, so I try my best not to be so many product there. I'm just going with whatever is left on my blender was going and finish it up there. And just let it sit. Go about and do your makeup. Let it sit. This is literally how to bake with your baby powder. And the good thing is that this is so lightweight that it's going to sink into your skin so good. You can see how clean the forehead looks. Okay, so this is the final look. I'm just going to go ahead and contour my face, set my face with the powder so that everything can really blend out. Dust out the baby powder that you just baked on your face. Take your powder, a setting powder shade that is your complexion. Or like I said, if you don't have a setting powder, you can simply just use your brush to brush it off lightly and spray your face. Spraying your face is going to bring everything together. It's going to make everything sink into your skin properly, and it's going to make it look so flawless. So yeah, this is how you use your baby powder for a flawless setting and baking process.